Here is 2000 plus stories After Effects templates, but these are protected password in this app. Go to Google Play Store, write Sheri SK and buy now by lifetime. Okay, here is Instagram stories, After Effects help and preview, and you can adjust your own photo or your logo here. Work hard, dream big. Okay, these files are Adobe After Effects, not Photoshop. Okay, here is 100 preview and main file is here. Instagram for CS 5.5. now opening project 29 39 45. Okay, hurry up. Next is, oh, we need these font, but don't worry. Okay, here is a square and here is vertical. You can adjust your own photo here. Next is this one. Okay, that's mean you can add your own photo or text. Okay, here is project file, here is a GIF file. Okay, wow. Here is a project file you can use in Adobe After Effects. Next is story 0.5. no 2.6. here is 400 stories Instagram video kit, and here is a main our project file. Now cancel. I know you can do easily. Next is sport Instagram stories CC part 12, and here is a simple story generator font text file. Okay, I hope these are useful for you. Subscribe me. Take care a lot.